Anytime you have small money, it will always finish and you return back to square one. Like you go back to being broke. If you're joining this class for the first time ever, you're welcome. Use the comment section and say present as we continue. You know, there are times you don't work, you've worked so hard because of you've been broke for a long time. So you've been working very hard, putting all the efforts, and one day or on one time everything clicks and you make it big. Money don't come. At that point in time, you decide, Mama, can I relax now? I don't try, make myself also enjoy. Then you begin to go about exposing yourself to different fun activity you usually don't used to engage yourself in before. Maybe going about carrying fine girls and all that, partying, clubbing, and doing all manner of things you usually don't used to do before, because now you have money and you said, oh, I'm make I relax, I beg, I don't try. At that point in time, that is what they call comfort zone. Once you put yourself in this position, you find out that at the end of the day, in the next 1 week, 2 weeks, you begin to call your guy, Alpha, fund me the least 2k, 3k, 1k. You see that you have gone back again to that cycle of being broke. The stage you thought you have overcome, you go back to it again and continue to be broke. Now, what is the solution to this? The solution is this: you have to program your mind to the fact that, or to always believe or always see yourself that you are not safe yet. No matter the amount of money that is sent to you or that you receive, that you earn, you have to program your mind that I am not safe yet. Don't see yourself like Otedola, Dangote, Bill Gates, Elon Musk and all that. No, you have to see yourself that I am not safe yet, and continue living that same lifestyle or that pattern of life you're living that has brought that amount of money to you. You continue in that same fashion of life. Not when you have seen, let's say, 1 million or 2 million, then you increase the number of guests you have and all those kind of lifestyle. Begin to party, drink, and those things you know that you were not doing before when you were broke, and now you got some money. You don't have to start living those kind of lifestyle. You maintain that lifestyle so that you keep having more and more and more. If this video has helped you and you have learned something, please use the comment section and share your own idea and what you think. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again. See you again. Thank you. Listen to what I'm saying to you.